Hey guys, welcome back to my new YouTube video, and today I'm going to be washing my fidgets. So let's get into the video. So first I have my poppet getting into the sink, and then I have my mini poppet, and I have my dimple, and I have my car poppet. So yeah, I'm gonna wash all of these fidgets. Let's get the water running. I'll come back to you guys in a second when the water fills all the fidgets here. Well, as I can tell, this is gonna take a big while. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna stop the water. I'll just wash them like that. Okay, let's get our soap. That's fine for now. Let's wash the dimple. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, this is good for now. Now let's wash the car poppet. My car poppet is pretty quiet, and I said that in several of my videos, but yeah. And apparently, the more you wash your poppets or something like that, they get louder or something. It kind of works, because I already did that. But yeah. Ooh, it's turning bubbly. Okay, this is good. I was planning on washing my simple dimple, but I don't know. I guess it's just fine. Here goes my other poppet. This is enough because I wash this poppet a lot because I just love to play with it. Ooh, that's loud. And now my mini poppet. We're going to add a little bit. There. That's about enough. I don't really play with my mini poppet much. I don't know why, but I think my mini poppet is cool, but yeah. I know I show all of my fidgets like in the same videos, but it's fine. I don't really care. Okay, there. Time to rinse them off. Okay, the mini poppet is ready. Now the car poppet. My water is too hot. There we go. That's good. And now we do the dimple. Oh, that's splashy. It's fine, my phone is waterproof. Okay, now the poppet.